Hey guys, Mr. Burns here, bringing another math video. This one I'm going to do on multiplying rational numbers, and basically all a rational number is, so those of you might be wondering, a rational number, all it is any number that can be written like a fraction. So some textbooks might describe it as m over n. So when we're multiplying rational numbers, basically we're multiplying fractions. That's basically all we're doing. So the only difference is maybe probably from what you did in maybe another course, like maybe grade 8 or grade 7 to grade 9, grade 10, is that now you might have negatives involved. So let's start out with a fairly straightforward example. So let's go 3 over negative 2 times 6 over negative 5. So one of the common mistakes that I see a lot of my students making when finding we're multiplying rational numbers is they want to find the common denominator. When you're multiplying, no common denominator. So really important. So multiplying means no common denominator. So no CD. Really, really important to remember that. So it's fairly straightforward. All we have to do is, I think, straight across. That's exactly what I think. I think straight across. So I go 3 times 6 is 18. And then negative 2 times negative 5 is a negative times a negative is a positive, is 10. So there it is. I just multiplied. Straightforward. Now, you might have a teacher who wants to do this in reduced form, so I'll just look at what is both of these divisible by. So we'll do 2. They're both divisible by 2, so we can do that. And then that leaves me with 9 over 5, and then we're done, because that's as far as it can be reduced. So that's a perfect example of how you multiply rationals. Straight across, no common denominator. Let's try another one. So let me erase this guy. Let's try 9 over 4 times negative 2 over negative 3. So we have 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. And 4 times negative 3, so remember we're going straight across with no common denominator. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, just like that. And then these are both reducible, so they're both divisible by 2. They're also divisible by 3, so we can divide them by 2 first if you want to. And you might be able to see, they're also divisible by 6 if you wanted to, but I like to take it step by step. There's no rush. So that's negative 9 over, that's going to be negative 6. So really we have a negative and a negative here. We don't need to, that's really a positive, so we can get rid of that in the next step. So we'll think about now what's divisible by. So we said 3 as well. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So we end up with, go back to my green. So negative 9 divided by 3 is 3, but we're going to drop the negative because a negative over negative is positive. And then negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2, so we'll just get rid of that because the negative and negative made it positive. And there it is. There is the simplified form for multiplying this particular set of rational numbers. So guys, remember, when multiplying rational numbers, no common denominator, multiply straight across. No fancy business, just straight up, and then try and reduce. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped you, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in class.